Here we have Campbell accessible pedestrian signals at Rita Road and Houghton Road in Tucson, Arizona. These are Advisor 400 series retrofit push buttons.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
Alright, here we go. Here goes this one. I think we're gonna make it before this one. There it goes.
Wait to cross.
These are pretty new. These are from 2022, I think, or 2021.
Wait to cross.
There it goes. Oh, we're gonna be waiting for the next one. I'll get a better recording of the button though. Sorry, I got my scooter with me. There's also the Australian walk sound on them, which is pretty neat. And here we go again with the next walk phase. I think here goes, I think the next walk is about to go here pretty soon. There it goes. It's counting down. I think the other side's doing that beep beep right now. These are very nice buttons. Even though they're not Polera push buttons, they're pretty cool. And we got to get over to the other side before the next walk. I'm crossing over.
Wait to cross. Wait.
Oh, and this vibrates too, see? Oh. Gotta get over the other side before this ends. I gotta go. That's also, I think that's a GE countdown signal. And there's it beeping. The clearance phase.
Wait.
Oh, and we're gonna miss this one. We missed it, but anyways, look at a picture of the lights while we're waiting. Here's the other LED signal. Here. signal heads, I believe, are McCain. Yep, they're McCain. And you can see the flashing yellow arrow here. And I'll get you a view of the walk phase on this one. And you can hear it beeping out there. Sorry for the video being so shaky. I don't know why it's being so shaky today. Here goes this one. It's also vibrating. It's pretty cool. Even though it's not electromagnetic like the Polara push buttons, it's pretty cool. And we gotta make it over because this is a pretty short walk where it's gonna start the yellow. Also, when this does the walk, the red arrow doesn't start until the thing. It's not going on this side, but I'm gonna push this button. Someone vandalized this push button.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
And here we go. Oh, this one's louder. Okay, we gotta make it over. Doing the walk here.
Wait to cross.
And it's all, this one's already lit, which is pretty cool. Let's get a view of the lights though, now. It looks like I just got a text. Up and there goes this one. Yeah, and these people in view. And you can see the arrow, if you barely can see it, but the arrow is red until the walk phase is over, which is also pretty neat. And there it goes. There's no clearance time though. As soon as the red hand, don't walk, turns on, it starts flashing. And I'll get a view of the one on this side going. I think I got a text. Oh, yep, and this is the Campbell. Let me go push this one. Up it's gonna go.
Wait.
Let me go. Here it goes. I'll get an audio recording of this. It's pretty cool.
Wait.
The arrow's missing on this button.
Wait.
You can hear the other one beeping out there. I believe on this side the arrow's not gonna turn until the arrow goes for this one. Let me get a view of this arrow up here. Signal head. I think it's also McCain with Dialight inserts or GE inserts, I don't know. Could be either or. And you're gonna start to see it flash here in just a minute. Oh, yep, you got a green arrow instead of flashing yellow. And it's gonna change here in just a minute. Just a second. Oh, yep, there it goes. And the arrow's red again. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed a video of this intersection here at Rita Road and Houghton Road in Tucson. Thanks for watching, and that's it.